Hola, ¿cómo estás? How do you make a deal in Spanish? For example, if you buy the pizza, I'll buy the drinks. Or maybe how do you express yourself when you are speaking about hypothetical situations? Say, for example, that you want to say, if I won the lottery, I would move to Colombia. How would you express that? In Spanish, we use conditionals to express these possibilities. So before we dive in, let's look at the big picture. How many conditionals do we have? We can say that we have three. Do we need to know the names of the conditionals? Not really. Natives don't know the names of conditionals. For example, you as an English native speaker probably do not know how many types of conditionals you have in English, but you can use them. The goal is for you to understand how to form each type of conditional and how to use it correctly. The first type is the real conditional. This is things that are very likely to happen, generally facts. Example, if A happens, then B will follow. That's a real conditional. For example, if you heat water long enough, it boils. That's a fact. The second conditional is for hypothetical situations. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly. The third conditional is to express regret. Usually, this is imaginary situations, impossible situations, because we cannot go back in time. For example, if I had known, I would have gone. So let's start with the first conditional, which is used for facts. We can use this conditional with the tenses simple present plus simple present or simple present past future, any kind of future. For example, I can say, si camino mucho, me canso. If I walk a lot, I get tired. The same phrase with the future would be, si camino mucho, me voy a cansar. If I walk a lot, I'm gonna get tired. One thing that you need to remember when writing is that the word si or if does not have a tilde. The word si with a tilde means yes. Some common mistakes are when people say, for example, if I will walk, I will get tired. That is not correct. It is, if I walk, I'll get tired. So we cannot say, si voy a caminar, me voy a cansar. The correct one would be, si camino, voy a cansarme. You can say, voy a cansarme or me voy a cansar. So now let's do some exercises.